Hi, this is Lauren Cotton with the Licata Group, Keller Williams Capital Properties. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of 102 Carlyle Court, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. This 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home offers lots of space. I'm going to turn the camera around real quick and start the tour. All right, as we're walking in, you can see the pretty shrubs and the flowering tree and the house behind it. You'll also see the paved driveway. So we're just going to walk up real quick. You can see the porch, definitely big enough for a chair or two. I'm going to come inside. And we walk right into the living room. So lots of space. This home has 2 living areas. Perfect for spreading out. So now we're going to walk through the living room and we're going to walk right into the dining room. You can see it's an open dining kitchen area. Recently updated, did some updates in the kitchen. Plenty of counter space to spread out. And you can see the deck right off the dining area to the private lot in the back. The back of the lot is nice and private, backs to trees. All right, now I'm gonna spin you back around. So now I'm standing in the dining room and we're looking out to the living room, front door. So here you can either go upstairs where the 3 bedrooms are located, or we can go down. I'll take you down in just a second. We're gonna go up first. And the first thing you come to is this expansive bathroom. Plenty big. Sink, tub, shower. We're gonna come down the hallway a little further. We're gonna walk right into bedroom number 2. Nice sized bedroom with lots of light. Linen closet. And then this is going to be the 3rd bedroom. Even more light coming into this room. I'm going to turn around, and then this is the master bedroom. Nice size room with its own master bath. There you go, there's the shower. And we're gonna walk back down the hallway, down the steps. And we're gonna go down the stairs to this large living area downstairs. So lots of options, whether you're looking for just extra maybe living space or family room, be a great playroom for kids. It wraps around to the back where you'll see a separate sliding glass door that backs to the woods. And then a separate full bath down here as well. So this is a large space. You have your tub, shower, linen closet. You can just kind of see how big this area is. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me on the tour of 102 Carlyle Court. Hope that gave you a good feel for the house and the layout. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.